how to turn on comments on YouTube. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. I'm going to show you guys two methods in order to actually do this. So let's get started. Well, the very first one is that over here I have a video. It's unlisted though, but over here it says comments are turned off, but the video is already uploaded. Now, in order to actually turn this on for this specific video, I just want to go to YouTube Studio. And then once I am in here, I'm going to go to content and then edit this video over there. Now, you want to scroll all the way down. And then here it says disable comments. So I want to either allow all comments or, for example, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, which is recommended. So people can't specifically say anything they want. So not everything is appropriate, of course. So then you can simply click on save, and now it is actually turned on. And if we refresh this video, you can now see that we can actually comment under this video, which is great, right? Now, let's say you start noticing that this setting is set to default for every single video, so where the comments are disabled. Now, that is something in your actual YouTube settings where you have that turned off by default. So if you want to enable that, simply click on settings, then go to upload defaults, and here you can go to advanced settings. Now, if you click on here, you can see it is now here disabled by default. So I want to put it to either one of these two, and then I can just click on save. And now for every single new video I will be uploading, this feature is now turned on by default, which is great. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.